Good morning, children. Today we are just looking at the constitutional design chapter overview. In this chapter, children, some portion has been deleted. That is democratic constitution in South Africa. So this concept 3.1 is deleted from this chapter. So you need not read about that. You need to learn about why do we need a constitution. This one and making of the Indian Constitution. What kind of troubles that we have taken, what kind of pains that we have taken for making of Indian Constitution. This is the most important, children, concept. And in the why do we need Constitution, children? Constitution does many things. Here they have given 4 things. It generates a degree of trust and coordination. Second, third, fourth, like that the points 4 factors has given here. So you need to learn about this also. So it shows the relationship between the people and government. Next, about the Constituent Assembly, children. So what comprises the Constituent Assembly? How many members they work together for framing this constitution, and from when they started, when they have ended, and when the constitution came into force also has come in this page. And moreover, children, in every page if you clearly observe, there they have given some personalities, important personalities. Here Vallabhbhai Patel, Abdul Kalam Azad and Krishnamachari. Likewise, every page they have given some of the important personalities. So these also most important. You please don't neglect them, children. You read about them. Maybe they can be asked in picture identification, or they can be asked as what is the designation that they have got after the independence. Okay, so these are Jaipal Singh and Rajendra Prasad, Durga Bai Deshmukh. These pictures also you please learn and look at them carefully to identify. Okay, and now they also have given some of the important personalities in the next page also. You please check them. And one more thing, guidelines. Guidelines are guiding values of the Indian Constitution. So this is also most important, children. It shows the philosophy. If you look at the Constitution, it shows the philosophy of the Indian Constitution. So what's its philosophy? What's the dream of the personalities that they dreamt for the India after independence? So that also has been given here clearly. And next, this is the preamble, children. So sometimes they give this picture and they ask what is this? Which part of this? They'll ask you. So you can write the introduction of the Constitution, that is preamble. Okay? And institutional design, children. So they have designed our constitution into a like an institution. It has some philosophies and it has some values. So those philosophies and values, children, made our constitution like institutional design. How you plan for an institution, like that it is also having some rules and regulation, values and philosophies. So if you read this, you'll understand about the philosophy of the Indian Constitution and institutional design very clearly. So that's all, children. Thank you.